All right. I think we're back. I don't know what the heck is going on. I got fiber internet. I have a $5,000 computer. There's no reason for this. There's no reason for this. I keep getting Trudeau'd. I have a very, very strong computer and internet, and yet this continues to happen. Thank you, Mr. Trudeau. We love you, and we appreciate you. Please protect my stream. Good morning, Cypher Gang. Good morning, Alex. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Sorry about that. I mean, it's really annoying. We get momentum, and we're going top down. We're doing the analysis, and then bang, bang. We lose half the viewers, more than half. We were at 130 viewers already, and now they're like, this guy can't even hold a stream. Oh, man. Bloody hell. Bloody hell. Bloody hell. I don't know. Maybe it's my VPN. That's the only other thing I could think of. Like, let me just get set up here, friends. There's no reason for it. There is absolutely no reason for it. Even this weekend, I cleared off some stuff out of my computer, like nothing major, but whatever. Pretty wild. Is that a stochastics RSI indicator below? So this is market cipher. You have RSI and stochastics. Stochastics changes color. RSI is purple. If you build it, they will come. That's it. VPN could totally be the problem. Okay. Maybe I need a new VPN location. What is the best VPN location? You guys let me know. Maybe I have to switch it for the next one. It is not free, but there are free versions of it. Country Keith. There are free versions of it. I highly suggest the real one, though. Things are moving right now. Yes, they are. They're moving south. They're going downwards here. We'll see. Getting a little bit of a roll over here. Cleaning the browsing history helps. Yeah. Yeah, I don't participate in that kind of stuff. Sorry. Mexico? Afghanistan? The one nearest to you? Okay. Yeah, now it's giving me bit rate is lower than recommended bit rate. We cannot recommend that. I fixed that, Mr. Stream. I'm just going to start streaming in Discord. Discord only. So we were at the daily. The daily is concerning. We're starting to round off. However, we can push. However, we can push off the zero line here. Money can continue upwards. Okay, this is This is rounding because of the weekend, okay? Because the weekend was choppy, there's no real sense of direction here, in my opinion. So we're looking for this thing to bounce going into Monday open. Okay, we do have about 50 or 40 minutes till market opens, which is going to be... Are your drivers up to date? Yes. How much does the paid indicator different from the free one experience? It's like buying you want Nike or do you want Nikkei? I don't know what to say to you. I use Mexico with PIA. Okay, choosing location. I use Luxembourg. You guys are crazy. Dubai, Mexico. Where else do you guys? Afghanistan. All these crazy places where you guys are using. I mean, I use Iceland. So I don't know. Schaefer told me to use Iceland, man. So I don't know. I listen to Schaefer. He's a tech nerd. I'm just a carpenter who presses buy and sell. Thank you, everybody, for coming back to the stream. I appreciate every single one of you guys. We're going to hopefully take advantage of price action within this beautiful, beautiful day of cryptocurrency, okay? Please smash that like button and help us get back to where we were at because, you know, we would love to have some more people on here, even though we got rugged by Justin Trudeau. So thank you, Dave Digital, for that like. Mad love to you, Dave. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Good to see you, Buck. Good to see you, San. Good to see you, Gabriel. Okay, good to see you all. The 12-hour. Now, this is where the divs start not diving. Okay, so we're making higher highs and we're starting to put in lower lows. But the 12-hour VWAP, just got rejected, right? Just got rejected last hour. So this is a very Darth Maul candle indecision. Like objectively, friends, where does this look like it needs to go? Does it not look like it needs to come in here? It looks, and I'm not saying this is how I do TA, but this, you got to sometimes just add common sense to your trading strategy. These highs in here, this is where price looks like it needs to go, right? Where does it look like it needs to go? I'd say there. 60,800, okay? At least. Like, is this a wave 3? And then, I don't know. I'm not a wave guy. I'm a market cipher guy. 57, then 67. Gabriel, I like that thinking. Tomatoes. I'm getting tomatoes thrown at me. Somebody get that guy out of here. Get that guy out of here. He's throwing tomatoes. Get that guy out of here. I'm joking. Good. Hello, A. We've gone up for 2 weeks. Yeah. Since start of September. I mean, we got a little rollover and then we got a check mark for September. That's September right there. So can this continue? Absolutely. But tomatoes are bearish. Okay. That's a new one for me. Thank you, everybody, for smashing those like buttons. That means the world to me and supporting this channel. Hopefully we can find some trades this morning. Going into the 6. Now we're starting the bear divs, right? Red dot, bear divs, swing failing, up to the top. Not taking that high, which is something that I'm cautious about because if we don't, this is, I think Darren explained this, but it is an SFP nonetheless. However, not taking this high doesn't change structure for me. So therefore, this can come a lot lower than we want. Okay, so that's something that I'm keeping my eye on as well. Okay, 4 hour. Now we get into it. So the 4, the 3, the 2, and the 1 is kind of how I like to base my trading day for a narrative. This looks toppy, bearish divergence, money coming out, VWAP crossover to the downside. 4 hour looks like it needs to return at least down to 60,000. Okay, that's the idea here. We have our key areas where we're prepared to trade, and we'll see if we get there. However, this environment is very bullish. Okay, everybody's starting to say, hey, you got to buy now or, you know, you're going to miss the boat. But I don't buy into that. I would like to see a Bart Simpson because that's all we seem to be getting throughout this price action is Bart Simpson. So coming back in here and then looking for that bounce within this area. That means we're looking to possibly take advantage of a short this morning. However, we need to be very cheap when trading shorts, okay? We need to be protecting our upside because this is aggressive. So we want to be very aware of that. Bear divs coming out on the 2 hour. However, once the VWAP resets on our 2 hour here, right, we can see that this can start to curve up coming into the end of our day. Money is aggressively coming in as well. So that's something to be very cautious about. When we're shorting this, we want to be as cheap as possible, right? We want to manage our risk as best as possible, which is going to allow us to be more profitable, but also more protected in an environment such as this. Okay? Going into our 1 hour. 1 hour trigger. Okay? Overextended here on VWAP. So 1 hour trigger can push up aggressively. What do I mean by trigger? I mean by just this little trigger wave. These are anchor waves. This would be a trigger wave, right? So a trigger wave is typically the second wave or the third wave, but it's lower, okay? Especially when you're oscillating above a zero line. When you're oscillating up here and you get a little trigger down below, like something like this, right? You can pop off. Sometimes they're even up above here and you can pop off. So something I'm watching as well. However, we're caught in the middle of a range, right? If we're keeping it as simple as possible, right? We are at the point of control. We are bouncing off the point of control. We could be looking for longs. Last night was absolutely ridiculous where you had a bunch of candle closing catastrophes coming at you hard. And if you didn't trade this weekend, give yourself a pat on the back because I don't think this weekend was very kind to many people. We were looking at a whole bunch of different trades throughout our Discord, but I didn't take any trades. I golfed and hung out with my family. Okay, so let's see how we can prepare for our key areas and what I will be looking for. Okay. It's 5 to 9. Okay, thank you everybody for being here. I'm just getting reorganized because our stream did get Justin Trudeau'd. I'd like to say good morning. Say good morning. Would love to see you in the chat. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you guys for supporting the channel, all of you in here. And I'm just going to set up some things as well. Let's do a poll on how was your weekend because that's how it was. How was your weekend? And it was great, bad, boring, or just trying to get back set up here to help get myself organized. You know, my number one rule when trading is how am I feeling? It's so important to check yourself from the neck up, right? Making sure that your mind is right, you're fed, you're happy, you got coffee, you got a great community of like-minded people all trying to conquer the same goals. That's what we try to do over in our Discord. If you are new here, thank you for being here. Subscribe, join us. We would love to have you. Community built on kindness. No, I think in the crypto industry, there's a lot of shady, to say the least, shady shit. And hopefully we can kind of curve that narrative. I think that's important. Also, we love making money, both ways. So let's make sure that we're being kind to one another. Thank you guys for being here and supporting the channel. Wait a bit to check from the waist down. Also important. Yeah, let's go. Got just dollars away from the stop and straight through TP. Luck AF. That was on the weekend. Yeah. Wild. Weekends are for the family and chill out. Absolutely. It's you need to have balance in your life because trading is one very taxing and exhausting. You need to be able to execute and make good decisions, but it's also can be very lucrative and rewarding. So, you don't want to get sucked into the addiction of trying to make money on the charts all the time. Bitcoin's always going to be there. It's 24/7, 365, right? So we're very much fortunate to have that. However, those guys trading in the NASDAQ and all that, they're spoiled. They only have a certain window where they have to trade, and sometimes I'm jealous of that. Like, why didn't I just start trading NASDAQ or something so I could have that time, right? It's so important to give yourself that time. That's why I trade, from 6 a.m. to about 1 to 2, depending on the day. And then I'm gone. And then I'm gone. In and out, quick. Okay, so the 30-minute here looks like a bit of hopium. However, toppy, point of control, looking for a potential bounce right now going into market open. We can see we did have a little bit of an SFP down here. Okay, not ideal. Okay, this is not ideal. This is something I'm not looking to trade just yet. I want to be patient. I mean, you could, this is ugly in my opinion. So you could be looking at this right now. I think this is ugly. I'm not necessarily looking to get long off a breakout retest, but that's available to us. However, I would like to see. We haven't even come for this yet. That's interesting. Is that we haven't? That's interesting. So I think patience will prevail. We need direction. That direction needs to come from price action. That price action right now stuck in the middle. So yes, we can bounce along 63,000 here, but for me, I need to see some decision making, okay, from Bitcoin. I want to see it let me know which direction it's going to go. Currently, I think we are below VWAP. Let's see. Yes, we are below VWAP. So, like I said, let's be patient. We'll take a look at the markets, and hopefully we can get some biased as well. That's going to help us make better decisions. Okay, so USDT dominance, we're looking for this to continue to fall. Okay, I see some hopium there. Did we gap up or down? Small CME gap, said Darren. That's down in here. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So like any kind of chopping over the weekend creates very small CME gaps, so nothing big to be worried about there. Nasdaq's got a lot of work to go. Okay. Continues to push. All-time highs within reach. Zoom out on our Nasdaq. Okay, so Nasdaq making that higher high. Okay, I wouldn't be surprised if Nasdaq comes back, retests this trend line, and continues to push. Okay, so maybe a cool off after such an aggressive move, right? For the Nasdaq, all-time highs, obviously the key idea of where we want to get to, but how we get there is a different story. Going over to the dollar, I mean, continues to hover, right? It's hovering around that $100 mark and I don't know, 100-point mark, and looking for that to roll over. Okay. I think you need a daily Kamala shout out to keep the MBs and the new viewers up. Okay, so yeah, shout out to all the Kamala and Donald Trump lovers out there. I mean, I'm Canadian. All I want you guys to do is protect our border. Good morning. AJ writes crypto. What's going on, man? Let's go, he says. Market Cipher family. AJ writes crypto in the chat, man. How you doing, bro? How you doing? Congratulations to you and your missus getting engaged. That is amazing. Amazing step forward. I'm just recently married, so congratulations, AJ writes crypto, man. I'm looking to come down to the United States of America on the Bitcoin conference. So maybe we can meet each other, man. You seem like a great person. Guys, go check out AJ Writes Crypto. Thanks for dropping by, bro. Hope you're having a wonderful day. So the Dixie does look weak. It looks like it is. I mean, look at this past week after all the crazy rate cuts. It's just very indecisive, right? So we be patient here. We're below VWAP, looking for this thing to come out. I would like to see a sweep of the lows. Alan says gap is closed. That's good. Matt Eagle, catch the bounce back on. Stewie would be nice. Appreciate you too, man. Appreciate you too. Great trader. Get rich or get wrecked. I love it, man. I love the get rich or get wrecked. You can crash at my place. That would be amazing, bro. I really appreciate the offer. That's awesome. I appreciate you. Yeah, we're seeing, because we just have a newborn baby, so obviously things are in the air, and it's going to be an interesting one, man. I mean, I definitely got to get out, though, meet everybody. It's long overdue, and, you know, crypto people become family, and the right ones stick with you and believe in you and support you and cheer for you and all those things, and I think we're finding our people, right? Find your people, FYOP, right? Whatever they say, FYP, not FAP. No, we're not talking about fapping. We're talking about find your people. I just love people who love their family, love God, love being kind to one another, and love making money, who work hard, who hustle. Right? I respect the grind, and that's what it's all about, right? It's about helping people and serving people and helping us all navigate this crazy ass crypto world. And I think there's a lot of people who do it right, and there's a lot of people who do it wrong. Okay? So hopefully we can help steer people the right direction. Because it's you're gonna get, if you haven't been somewhat scammed in crypto, I think just get your cherry popped and try not to let them do too much damage to you, or stick with us. That's what it's all about. AJ, are you going on Trading Wars next season? I've been asked. I might do it. I think I'll go and kick some ass with Crypto Keeper and all them. So that would be fun. Yeah, we got 25 minutes till market opens. Real indecision here. No trades so far. I mean, we could be looking at something like this where we come up, break, get rejected, coming down in here. Okay, we could be looking for an SFP of the bottom, some liquidity grabs down within here. Okay. However, you guys know what I always say. Do you guys like hot dogs? Because we're right in the middle, right? Do you want to have the Oscar Mayer wiener, or do you want to trade those nice, beautiful buns, right? Do you want this hot dog in here, or do you like buns? I like buns, baby. I like the buns. We want to be on the buns. Sometimes they have a little bit of sesame seeds on them. That's okay. That's okay. It always is dead in the middle of 100 things on my schedule. Yeah, that's the thing, right? It's pretty. Let's go live at 3:00 or 1:00 every day in the middle of the day, so that you can never show up. Yeah, it is hard to make, AJ, for the Trading Wars, but we'll see. It's always nice to try and support other people, though. We'll have to collab one day. That would be cool. I never collab, though. I'm like totally bad with tech. So maybe one day we'll set something up, man. We'll set something up. That'd be cool. I know you're busy. Honestly, though, if you know how to do it, there is insane money in memes. Absolutely. There is absolutely insane money. The problem is that exactly what you said. If you know how to do it, right? If you know how to do it. A lot of people don't know how to do it, right? And for me to say that I know how to do it, I haven't done it, right? And that's one thing I pride myself in, is I will never tell you, a false of like, hey man, if you buy this meme, you'll be rich. I just think I'll be exit liquidity. That's why I don't mess with that, right? Nice rollover here happening this Wednesday or never. Oh man, we'll bring the gang over, man, on Wednesday. What do I have Wednesday? I'll message you on Twitter, and maybe we'll figure something out. Oh man, that's one thing, is that like I can't tell you how to make money on memes because I haven't done it. Okay. And I think that's important. Like, experience is everything. If you don't have, I'll show you how to scalp and make money on Bitcoin every day. I'll show you how to trade. But I'm not going to tell you how to make money on meme coins. I don't even know. I don't even have, what is it? Pump.fun.com.fun. I don't even know the website. That's how much I know about memes. I don't even, yeah, exactly, right? So it's like, I think it's important. However, there is lots of money to be made on trading them. Let's see if we can, let's do some TA on some Pepe, or Whiff, flagging out, coming up to key support. Okay, look, we had a buy level. We can do good TA. Look at the buy level here. Right? We give you good buy levels. It's just not something I'm going to participate in. Okay, so yeah, they're looking to run. I'm not going to say it, but I think the meme coin. Whew, look at BitTensor. Holy shit! I think the meme coin thing is going to have to take a little breather. Okay? Going to have to take a little breather. Retro is the king of memes. Retro Mike Ted. Sounds good, everyone. Smash the likes right now. Thanks, AJ. Yeah, we got 150 people in here. 70 likes. Let's see if we can get those up. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are the only healthy thing in a hot tub. In a hot dog. In a hot tub. Oh, man. So we look for breakout retest here. Coming into market open. Continuation. We'll see if we get that. Chadwick's Racing, good morning to you. Crypto Josh, good morning to you. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Got to keep our eye on that Dixie. So right now the Dixie's looking weak. Looks like it wants to roll over. However, we want to be patient with market open. Fear and greed is at 50. We'll see how that affects. My bias right now is down. This breakout retest is not ideal. However, the sentiment around the industry, you put your ear to the ground, it's bullish. So we want to be careful. Watch for all those big open mouth thumbnails. Make sure you guys are not. I mean, there's some good ones out there this morning. Look at this one. Whenever someone says, okay, now I'm not saying this guy is wrong, but look at this thing. Okay, this is only half the thumbnail. What is wrong with this picture? What is wrong with this industry, man? Can somebody tell me what is going on with this guy? Like, either there's someone behind him doing naughty things, but first, he's 100% getting it in the derriere right now. Okay? I'm trying to put the boycott on super open mouth thumbnails. Like, there's an open mouth thumbnail, and then there's the super open mouth thumbnail, especially when you got 100%. Okay? It doesn't get much worse than that, man. Tony Soprano, can you look at Ethereum? Absolutely, brother. Hope you're having a wonderful day. ETH is on an absolute doozy to the upside. You know me, Tony. I'm going to be looking for a retest of previous highs here, so I'll be looking here. I'll also be looking for yeah, this trend line. So I'd bring this actually down. Just looking for this to hold here. Okay. I'm inspired, totally making one worse than that today, says AJ. Oh man. You do it, bro. I'll come through. I'll come through and I'll come through and smash the like for you always, man. AJ, let's see. Have you done open mouth in a while? Let's see. This is AJ Writes Crypto. Make sure that you're already subscribed. I don't have the bell on. I'll turn the bell on for you, bro. Ring my bell. Ring my bell. Okay, you're more happy though. See, like this is a happy open mouth thumbnail. It's not like you're trying to yeah. See, I respect that. You know, Crypto Face calls them dick sucking thumbnails, right? Yeah, see, look, you're a happy guy, man. I knew you're a good man. See? Guys, go check out AJ, man. 15,000 subscribers. Great work, bro. Great work, bro. I can see the effort. Oh, man. See? See, AJ, I used to do it, man. I used to do it. I did it for like my first 3 months. It was like my initiation into crypto. And my community rips into me because of it. I'm going to get to the ETH TA, okay? I promise. I promise, Tony. Here's my ETH TA, okay? So we keep this around as a reminder, okay? We keep this around as a reminder. It's even emoji in the Discord if you want to use it. ETH looks like it's going to the moon. So ETH has a nice recovery. That Diddy party was lit. Yeah, man. Get rich or... The thing I love about Ethereum is one, BlackRock's using it. Two, we have this massive trend line. This massive trend line, macro trend line holding us up. Another thing is look at the momentum wave. We are, this is sexy, okay? You compare this momentum wave to Bitcoin's, this is a big weekly doozy, okay? So ETH looks strong, and I do believe ETH has yet to see its true potential, okay? Needs to get above $2,800. We all know that this is the biggest level of resistance for Ethereum on planet Earth, okay? Get above there. Then we're dancing, baby. We're dancing. We're looking to get above there. You can see it acted as previous support. Now it's going to act as resistance. So I expect this to be a barrier to entry. Once we get through that and reclaim, I think we're coming back to 4K. Okay, very easily. But we're definitely yeah, get rich and get wrecked. That's what happened to Diddy. Diddy definitely peed. Diddy pee. He came after Bieber, man. He came after the Canadian Bieber. How could you do that, man? All I see is Justin Bieber and P. Diddy things on my Twitter now. I'm just, it's upsetting. It's upsetting. It's upsetting. So yeah, ETH reclaiming. I mean, if you're pulling volume within this area, you're definitely looking at this area to hold. As you can see, you got a lot of volume in here. So retest back to 2,600 is going to be ideal. Okay, going over to Solana quick. Solana, we gave multiple trade ideas over the weekend for swing trades and for a short trade. Okay, this one came up and it pretty much hit. Okay, I'd say that pretty much hit, wouldn't you? That hit. Come on, man. That hit. Look at that. I mean, if you're not paying yourself on that move over the weekend, I don't know what you're doing, man. I mean, look at this. This hit. Trade setup given in advance. A nice 4% trade setup over the weekend, only to come back down. Okay, so this one would be invalidated, right? You would have paid yourself on this. Okay, this was given in our paid Discord. And now I would look for us to cool down, come back down to this level at 137. Okay, so you got a little inside view there of the paid Discord. Only $1 a day. I mean, $1 a day, keep the doctor away. Where we definitely walk people through some trade setups, help people, give signals, live streams, all that good stuff. So looking for this to bounce. We could hold here. Very possible. Very, Solana down 1.5% versus Ethereum's up almost 3%. Interesting times. Bitcoin rolling over here. Can you look at Varus coin for Retro Mike Tech? He needs to sell more. No. Oh, man. Diddy didn't come after. He came before. You guys, insert your Diddy joke. I mean, he came for Bieber. You can't go after Justin Bieber, man. He was like, I don't know, 12, babe. Oh, man. Good afternoon, Nick. What's going on, brother? Darren does things in the chat. Maybe a Band-Aid. He's laughing. What's going on, Matt Eagle? Okay, good to see you guys. Dave Digital in the chat. AJ dropping by. Thank you, bro. Mad love to you. Tony Soprano. We're waiting on ETH. Man. I hold quite a bit of ETH, however. It's taking its sweet ass time, that's for damn sure, for any sort of conviction to the upside. But nice move over the weekend, pushing up. Okay, we see a little bit of a rotation. If we want to look at our pairings, that's always a good place to start. So ETH Bitcoin. I believe Benjamin Cowan, who's, a very ETH Bitcoin maxi, has said the bottoming is in, possibly, within this area. So we'll see if we can bounce out of here and start making some higher highs and higher lows out of this, 3-year downtrend. Okay, 3-year downtrend. Looking to find a bottom here on ETH BTC where ETH actually starts to lead the way. We'll have to wait and find out, but some good signs nonetheless. Solana Bitcoin here, consolidating sideways. Okay, so yet to see that rotation into like a very straightforward rotation into altcoins, but we're getting close. When we look at total 3, we can see that as well, right? We can see that we're getting there. Looking for a confirmed breakout. So a lot of things to watch. We'll watch the S&P. We got market open in 9 minutes. Thank you, everybody, for being here, smashing those like buttons. Hopefully we can take some trades today and make a lot of money. Much love to every single one of you guys. Sibel, welcome. Thank you for being here as well. Dave Digital, Insane Money and Memes if you're into the pre-sale. Awesome. Nick giving away 5 gifted memberships. Thank you so much, Nick, for supporting the channel. Welcome, Frembo, Jack Fleming, Adam D, Trey Spot, and NBF Forum. Thank you so much, Nick, for supporting the channel. Nick is one of our mods, always helping keep our community safe and sound, away from all the idiots. So this is looking like it wants to push up. I'm looking for us to come up to VWAP. Rejection off of VWAP, retest back down to the trend line, continuation. Okay, looking for something like this morning. We'll see if we get it. Okay, coming up for these highs. We'll see if we get it. Got to be patient, and hopefully that prevails. A little bit of strength here. Let's go on our 3-minute. A little bit of a double bottom here, pushing. Yeah, so no real break of structure, just continuation down. I would like to see this high taken first. The divs aren't diving, though. We need to be patient in this situation. Thank you so much, Nick, for supporting the channel. If you're wondering what the axe is, that's Nick's axe that he cuts scammers' heads off with. The big old Viking. We should make Nick emojis like golden emoji in Frankie. Nick the goat. Yeah, Nick's amazing. Nick's amazing. He always tries to encourage people to practice good risk management. Mindset is everything. Not over leveraging, okay? You don't need a lot of leverage to make money in crypto. You just need to have a good strategy, execute that strategy, and take advantage of price action. And hopefully we can help you do that. Thank you for being here, everybody. We got 140 people here, 75 likes. Let's get those up. Mad love to every single one of you guys. You know, it keeps telling me that my stream is healthy and the bit rate is too high, but I fixed that. So I think they're trying to shut us down, but we will continue to restart the stream and help you guys make money. This is not financial advice. We're always just here to try and help teach you guys the way we trade. Can the Bitcoin devs do something? We'll see. We'll see what's going on here. But for now, we wait. For now, we wait. Patience pays, baby. Patience pays, and that's what it's all about. Some boring price action. Our bias is down. Let's not get it twisted. So if we are looking for the short, we could be looking at VWAP for a rejection. However, we wait. We wait. They'll never stop us. That's it, right? We're ready. We're ready. Whatever. We'll go live in the Discord. That's okay. We just want the community to grow. We want a lot of like-minded people coming into the Discord, hanging out with us. The link is down below. We have an amazing Discord. Trade setups, trade ideas. I mean, incredible. Brewberry gave the injective trade. Soul position. Kyle giving trade setups as well. Moving stop loss. Short trade there. I gave you guys a long trade over the weekend on Bitcoin here. That hit first take profit. Also gave you some altcoin TA ideas. There's the Solana trade before it happened. Okay. Here's an Aave trade. So lots of good things going on here. We called Pendle. Okay. Pendle was a great call. If we go back and we had Pendle as a potential breakout. That was also a very good call on Pendle here. You took that trade. There was a lot of money there. So a lot of great trades throughout, helping everybody make money. Okay, that's what it's all about. Is hopefully, you know, a community that cares, a community that isn't too big, that you just become a number. Okay, you get attention. I guess you get more attention in a smaller community where we get to cater to all your needs. Yeah, the real world asset. I think that's more important. Pendle banged. Look at this. Ooh wee. Look at that. Absolute banger of a trade on Pendle. 32%. Grim Reaper, do you think BTC will have another leg down as per your TDA? Yes. Yes, of course. Balance in the force. Balance in the force. That's how I like to look at it. Like, all we have done is come up and grab some shorts. This is all liquidity. And honestly, balance in the force. We know that we have strong support. Okay, so if we look at this generally, we know that there's strong support coming in right around 61,000. That's obvious. Look at this. Bang. Big support. So minimum, I think we come and visit 61,000. We'll see if we get there. Up forever does exist, but I don't think it's time yet. I think this is where patience is going to pay us the most. But we'll have to wait and find out. We'll trade what's given to us, and that's all we can do is watch the charts, set ourselves up, manage risk, and trade what is given to us for today. Right? And hopefully we can catch those bigger moves, but we want to be prepared. Okay? Have you done the dad joke yet? No, we haven't. And our dad joke book is actually finished, but we do have dad jokes in our Discord. So let me pull up the dad joke of the day. The dad joke is, why did the cowboy have a wiener dog? Why did the cowboy have a wiener dog? Somebody told him to get a long little doggy. Get along, little doggy. I don't like that one. That was horrible. Get along, little doggy. How do you fix a damaged jack-o'-lantern? You use a pumpkin patch. Oh, man. These are horrible. These are horrible. Okay. Well, there it is. There it is. 1 hour trigger looking to fire off here. This could continue upwards. Oh, man. Let's go again. People are confused. I'm just as confused as you, man. What's the best thing about elevator jokes? They work on so many levels. So bad. So bad. People are leaving. People are leaving. This 1 hour trigger looks to play. This looks to play. Okay, pushing up here. Market open in 50 seconds, my friends. Thank you all for being here. Smashing those like buttons. Subscribing if you're new. Coming over and hanging out in the Discord. Traders helping traders. That's what this is built on. Let's keep winning. Let's keep winning. Let's see if we can continue up here. Little push, break of structure. Nothing yet. Okay, NASDAQ here. Flagging out. Remember we said bias to the downside on NASDAQ now that we've made a higher high. Okay. We're going to get this on our Dixie here. Bitcoin dominance is not concerning to us this morning. We want to build our bias. Dixie's rolling over. This could mean upside. S&P, let's see how it opens up this morning. Going over to the 15-minute here. We'll see how it reacts right when we open here. So we've gapped up. Gap up should return us down a little bit. So a little bit of down action expected this morning. Okay, NASDAQ, pretty flat so far. Nice push though on NASDAQ. Dixie rolling over but flattening out as well. Okay, so really indecision. We'll see if this S&P can continue to the upside. Bitcoin, no real decision in direction. Okay, let's see if we can continue here. Rolling over. Thank you everybody for being here, supporting the like. I appreciate you guys. Bitcoin pretty flat. Looks as though we want to push though. I would like to see a push here up into VWAP. We'll see if we get it. We'll see if we get it. Yeah, we have some resistance above us as well, so that's something to keep in mind. The support coming in around 62,800, key level. Looking for a breakout, retest, continuation up. We'll see if we get it on Bitcoin. We said our long-term time frames are looking toppy to come out here. Our 1 hour trigger could play. However, we need to see some positive action over the next hour to push price up. If we push up above that trend line, that would be good for Bitcoin. However, we do look like we're rolling over right now. I would expect us to come down to at least 62,700, 62,800-ish. No trade as of yet. I'll let you guys know if I'm entering or exiting or what I'm thinking. Hopefully walking you guys through this. A decision here. Okay, the S&P is rolling over a little bit right now. Pretty flat. Pretty flat. Now we also identified too that we don't really have much news until Thursday, Friday So should be pretty pardon me, it should be pretty free trading, okay? So I love a good old non super news event. You know, anything can happen, but we have no data news events. So S&P coming down. So we did say we want to see a retrace from NASDAQ. The Dixie's just holding on for this 100 level psychological number, right? So I think this is just going to chop S&P, no real direction either. Let's see our Fantastic 7. Let's go to tech. Tesla's up. Everything else kind of flat. Yeah, Tesla's up today. Besides that, everything's pretty flat. Crypto. We got some volatility. ETH looks strong, okay? ETH is quite volatile. We see the AI sector in crypto pumping. Okay, cooling off there, though. Something I would expect. ETH's looking to make a run. Bitcoin's pushing now. Okay, we got a push from Bitcoin. Nice push here. I like this. Can we get above this high here? That's the question. That is the question. Remember, we are in the hot dog zone. We're in the middle of the range, right? So right now, it's not the best area to be looking for trades. We want to wait for confirmations. Confirmation is going to be king this morning in order to try and take advantage of price action. Okay, so let's be patient. Patience will pay us. BTC pumping, yeah. A little bit of a push. Okay, nothing too crazy. Dixie still wants to roll over. S&P pushing back. Okay, nice push back on the S&P. Thank you all for being here, smashing those likes. We got 150 people in here, 90 likes. Let's try and get that to 100 likes. That would be awesome for today, guys. I really appreciate it. We had to restart the stream. I think, you know, there's a stop hunt on the stream from Justin Trudeau, our favorite prime minister. We love Justin Trudeau here. I think the more we say we love Justin Trudeau, the better our stream will go. Okay, so we're just going to keep saying we love Justin Trudeau. We're looking to change our VPN address. Where's your best VPN area? I would like to know in the stream. Also, let's end this poll. How was your weekend? 50% of you said it was great. 6% of you said it was bad. I'm sorry for that. I hope you have a better week, okay? A better week. Boring is good. You know, I think as a new father, I think boring is the best thing for your child. I'm bored. Well, what happens when you're bored? We have to be creative, okay? You have to be creative in order to entertain yourselves. And I think that's a gift to be bored. Let's just trades. I agree. Justin is the man. We love Justin Trudeau. He is amazing. TV says, take your like. Thank you, TV. Appreciate you. Oh no, says IKO. 3-minute bitty bull div. Yeah, Michael, don't remember we're in the middle of the bull divs don't matter in the middle of the area, right? Like we're here, right? We're here. Zoom out a bit, right? I love your idea. You could be right. I'm not saying you're not going to be right. Just in my opinion right here, you know, we are at very key, you know, if we're rolling over, we're coming back down to the bottom of the range, 62.6. Okay, we have a big block of volume here, and not so much above us, but this one area around 63,400, which is in line with VWAP, is going to be interesting. Okay, can we push from here? 62.5, then we bounce. Okay, yeah. An SFP of the low here. That would be nice. That would be nice. It would be sweet if it was aggressive too. Like if we just pushed down really quickly, got that beautiful bull div, anchor trigger wave, hit an anchor trigger. That would be an amazing, amazing setup, but we'll wait. You can see this is quite steep, okay? This is quite aggressive here overnight. If we do get a curling up here, that would be great. Let's see. Okay, we're getting a push. Not really a push back on the S&P, but not bad. This looks like it's rolling over. NASDAQ flat. Okay. Good to see you, RJIKO. What's crypto? Thank you for the like, man. Appreciate you. Lunar Beaches crypto in the chat. What's going on, bro? Coolslin, good morning to you. Good morning to everybody. Make sure you say good morning. So the question is are we going to get 65 or 60 first, okay? Let's ask here. What's first? 65 or 60? Would like to know what you guys are thinking, how you're feeling about this market, and how you're looking to trade it. Right now, I think we're rolling over, but we wait. We wait. Bitcoin looks like it needs to come back for some of this chaos that we had from yesterday. Okay, we look in here, 5-minute time frame. Look at this, was absolutely disgusting price action over here. Okay, disgusting. So for me, coming down to these lows, kind of resetting the price action button would be ideal. However, we are looking at this downtrend for potential push back up into VWAP, and then a rejection from there, and we'll see how we react over here. Couple of ideas. Right now, we just got to be patient. I say we got to be patient. Like, it's me really reminding myself that patience is going to pay. Okay. Manufacturing and services PMI in 5 minutes. Okay. That must be a medium impact. Yeah. Yeah. So we have the manufacturing PMI, services PMI. Like this is, I don't know how much weight I would put on this stuff over here. Right here, 945. So S&P Global Manufacturing, Composite Services, about to print. Maybe this is what they've been waiting for. Thanks for pointing that out, Ron John Jr. I love it. I love the name. This could create some volatility, which is welcomed. We love volatility here. Look at the pushback we're getting here on Bitcoin. This is a whole bunch of trap traders, right? So clearly people are looking for shorts up here, brave people. Now you're holding on to these things, right? So if you haven't paid yourself, I would pay yourself. You know they came back, everybody getting long, bang, they came back, bang, they came back. So if you're long biased, remember they're coming to get you. That's what this tells me, is they're coming to get you. You need to manage your risk accordingly, lower your leverage, give yourself some breathing room on that stop loss, okay? Right? If you're doing that, you're lowering your leverage, therefore you can risk the same amount. If I want to move this $100 stop loss, whatever you guys are using, if I want to move this, you got to lower your leverage, okay? That's going to allow you to move this and still only risk a certain amount of your portfolio, risking about 2% per trade, okay? Trying to keep it very simple. This is your lunch money. Don't let the bully take more lunch money than you're bringing to school, okay? Don't move that stop loss. Manage your risk, okay? We want to live to trade another day. Survival as a new trader, survival is paramount, okay? That's going to allow you to continue to learn and continue to trade. Okay, we don't want to be taking extremely high leverage trades when we're first learning. We want to be able to manage our risk and plan accordingly, okay? Just closed 90% of my short. Awesome journey. Good work. No one goes broke taking profits, as we know. Okay. Look at this indecision here. Okay. We got 3 minutes till that news. 2 minutes till that news. Sorry. NASDAQ flat. S&P flat. Dixie flat. Okay. So sometimes there's no trades, right? And that's annoying. It makes for shitty content. But I mean, sitting on your hands is not losing money, right? It's not losing money. One of the traders that I really respect, OC guy, he says the best rule to winning is not losing, right? So I think that's funny. Anchor trigger here, pushing up, VWAP overextended. Okay, pushing up here on the 3 minute. 12-minute confirmed green dot. Yes. Pushing up here. This is good. Schlong it. Yeah, schlong it. You can't be wrong then if you schlong it. Don't worry about content, brother. We're here. I appreciate you, man. Thank you, Matt. Watching the grass grow, says Paul. Yeah. The journey. Good job, man. Quasim, good to see you. Good morning to you. What if I raise my margin? Well, you'd lower your margin, right? You'd lower your margin. I see what you're doing there, Quasim. Yep. Very similar. We do have a good risk calculator in our Discord. If you want, we have it. Risk calculators are so important. Make sure you're risking the right amount per trade, compounding your gains. Alexis is schlonging. Okay, go. Let's go, Alexis. I'd say right now, my bias is down. Okay? My bias is down. We're below VWAP. We push through VWAP. We could simply come up for a retest here. My VWAP can just like crawl down. But my bias is to come down into here. 62.5, 62.4. But we're prepared. We're not getting long down here. We're just prepared. If we break out retest, we could be looking for a long here. If we roll over, we can be looking for a long down here. Or we can look for a short as well. So a little bit of patience will prevail. 170 people in here, 110 likes. You guys are amazing. Thank you guys for being here, supporting the stream. It means the world to me. If you are new here, subscribe. Come over, hang out in our Discord. We have an amazing Discord, partially free, answering all your questions, and then some signals groups and trading group, which is only $1 a day. Keep the doctor away. I think we deliver way more than $1 a day, and we'll keep it like that, okay? We want to make sure that we're helping as many people as much as possible, okay? Playing some COD trading while watching you. Let's go, Matt. That's awesome, man. Bang headshot. Make sure you drop a couple of crouches on someone's head for me while you're playing, man. Here's a rollover. Okay, we got that news. The news came out. Nothing burger, really. S&P rolling over, coming down. NASDAQ. Oops. NASDAQ flat as well. Bitcoin dumping. Here we go. Downward bias playing out. Okay, no trade to be had here. That's okay. We don't get FOMO here. No trade to be had, right? Why would we be pressing sell here? You're gambling if you're trading this, okay? You're gambling. No, but the EMA and the VWAP crossover and the volume, Alex. Okay, great. Great. You bet. Yeah. Press that crouch button on their head, bro. On their head. Crouch, 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 crouch. The best teabag in video games is definitely Halo, because he bends the knee when he teabags, you know? It's not like a person crouching. It's like a person like straight up kneeling and then dunking it on you, right? Like it's the Halo crouch was definitely the best teabag, because he like held the gun and then he he took a knee right on your forehead. It's like he cared about like the perfect portrayal of the teabag. Spartan teabags were always the best. Come at me, bro, if you think I'm wrong. Oh man. Okay, some volatility coming in here. A little pushback. A little pushback here. This is looking like it's got some strength to it. Little pushback here. Bullish divergence. Still in the middle of the range. Still no break of structure. Yeah. Halo was definitely the best teabag. I agree. Like I'm going to get in trouble from YouTube, but come on, guys. It's like full on the crouch, man. The crouch was so good. Don't get it twisted. Don't get it twisted. The crouch was so good. We just lost like 20 viewers. Oh man. I mean, they must not be, they must not be fun people. If like they come in and then they just leave because we're talking about Halo teabags, like they're not our people, are they? Definitely not our people. They don't want to make money or talk about Halo teabags. I guess they're just brokies, right? They're just brokies, and that's okay. Oh man. My God, you gotta have a laugh. Gotta have a laugh, man. Taking yourself too seriously here. This guy went on. He's probably, he loves Justin Trudeau. And that's okay. We do too. We love Justin here. We love Justin here for canceling our stream. So we got a broadening wedge here. Simply just waiting, right? I'm sorry, friends, but this is not where we're trading. This is not where we're trading. This to me spells disaster. There's no probabilities in our favor here. We're below VWAP. We're looking for this to come down. We're making a series of lows until we break out of this 63.5. We're looking for chop. This is chop. So S&P is pushing up now. That's a good sign. Let's zoom out a little bit on the S&P. So we have all-time highs now, right? All-time highs are here. I don't know if we get a retest back within this gap in here. We'll see. We'll see. NASDAQ, no decision. Dixie pushing up. Bitcoin flat. Rotation into altcoins. Let's take a look. I mean, AI looks strong. Meme coins, okay. Real world assets, Ondo's looking okay. We got Tia. Tia's a nice move today. Arweave, nice move as well, 10%. Okay. Injective, a nice move. That trade setup was given in advance, okay, in our Discord by Brewberry. Near getting a nice push today, 9%. Okay, so there's definitely some movers. Definitely some movers. Just Bitcoin, just no decision right now. No decision. We need a decision in direction, right? That's not. We're getting volume coming in right now. This is good. But no decision yet. No decision. Rumors say people come and go from Kamala Harris. Okay, we love Kamala here too. And Trudeau. Here comes that rollover that we're looking for. Man, what's going on, Melissa? Went to bed too late. What's going on? Good to see you. B Team Crypto in here. I mean, some real people become like family, you know? Like it's wild. B Team, Nick, Melissa, Sniper, all you oldies in here. All you oldies in here. Thank you guys for sticking with me throughout the years. I appreciate it. We got longevity. I spend more time with you guys sometimes more than my family. So I mean, it's pretty cool. Tony Soprano's tagged me in some Halo thing. I got to check that after. I don't know if that's stream legal there, Tony. I've already been Pro Harris channel. I'm done. Yeah. We just don't want to get our stream keeps getting wrecked. I'm telling you. I got to change the VPN. Nobody has given me a good VPN suggestion yet. I'm very upset with you guys. I'm going to try maybe Mexico. But literally, like, I can't pump up the computer anymore. I can't. I mean, what is wrong with this? You guys tell me. You techies. Okay, we're going to load it up here. We're probably going to get in trouble here. We got the 13th gen Intel Core i9 4070. We're on performance. What am I doing wrong here? I got Bitdefender VPN. I got Bitdefender. There's no way. Come on, nerds, help me out. That has nothing to do with your stream. Atlas, I need your help then, man. Okay. So it's VPN. I have fiber internet as well, like direct connection. Direct correct. It's like right in. It's not the computer. So you're telling me it's Trudeau, or it's the VPN? All right, Bitcoin, roll over, baby. Come on, come down to Papa. I'm the only one on the internet. It's definitely the VPN. Okay. Rolling over here on Bitcoin. Nice little roll over here. Coming back for the late longs. We'll see if we come into this area down below here. 62.8. It's an area 62.8. Let's see if we do come into this area. Could be looking for a potential long. Losing support here. S&P indecisive. Dixie pushing. I think the Dixie pushing is what doing this. That's why we can't get too bullish or too bearish. We want to just be level-headed in our decision making. We want to have our key areas that we are targeting. We do have a bunch of big areas that I will share with you guys in the Discord as well, so that we're all on the same kind of time frame that we're looking for. And yeah, right now this is ugly. Want to see this trigger wave? We only got 3 minutes, so let's see what prints here. See, because we have a negative candle on our hourly here, this should just be continuing down. It shouldn't curve back up. Okay, so that's what we're looking for here. If we do push up aggressively within this next 3 minutes, it's a different story, okay? But if we don't, this should be printing downwards for continuation downwards rather than the trigger wave that we are looking for. So that's how you front run these things with your time. You front run with time over here on the right-hand side. Like, okay, we got 2 minutes for this candle. This is looking like it could push back. However, if our candle is going to close negatively, so if this was a very red candle right now, we would know that this would not close positively. That would mean continuation down and flat VWAP. Okay, it wouldn't mean curving up and curving up. Okay, so that's something to always keep in mind with market ciphers. You want to learn how to front run and draw. Okay, draw it out what you're looking for. Look at, we're getting a pushback right now. Okay, this is looking stronger, right? More of an indecisive candle now, doji. If we push up here, that would be a hammer candle, right? And that would be bullish, right? Therefore, giving us a bullish print on our market cipher. So many things to always be looking at. You can also, let's say, draw this out for here, and then you can measure, okay, this is going to take me 8 bars on a 1 hour, so 8 hours to play out to the VWAP crossover or whatever. Draw it out, right? Maybe it's a quick one, right? 4 bars, 4 hours to play out. Okay, so get good with this. Make sure that you're drawing it and using it to predict price action. Okay, because you can say, oh, look, it looks like we're topping out here. We're coming out. Okay, how long is this? Right, 5, 6, 7 hours to roll over. Okay, and by doing that, you're going to give yourself an advantage. And you'll get better at it as you keep drawing your Etch-a-Sketch like I do. Okay? There's no real decision in direction right now. And that's what I'm seeing. This is chopping people up. There's no trade here to be had. We be patient. Now, if you are part of the members, we do have a beautiful live stream at 12:15-ish. I'll be going live with you guys and going over the day and what we're looking for the week. It is 10 a.m. and no trades to be had this morning. I'm sorry, my friends. We can't force the content. But come over and hang out with us in the Discord. We'd love to have you. Mad love to everybody who's here. We'll be live tomorrow as per usual. I can't force it, man. I'll see you guys in the Discord. Make sure you hit me up with any questions there. I'll be looking for some trade setups for you guys. I'll let you know. Mad love to every single one of you guys here. Thank you for supporting me and helping me support you. Subscribe if you're new. Come over in the Discord, and I will see you guys in the next one. God bless. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolio's taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pants full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.